Okay, welcome to week 19, assignment 3. As we have done all year long, every other week will be a vocabulary quiz, and then the following week will be a typing test. You should be practicing typing throughout the week whenever you can to try to get better, because you are going to try to create your own goal and keep tabs on it, because that's just a good life skill to have, is that I would like to get better and this is the way that I'm going to do it. So very simply, we've done this several times before. You're going to go to week 19, assignment 3, click on it. It's going to tell you basically that you are going to go to typingtest.com, take your 1-minute time test. You need to submit in the assignments the time that you got and the goal for third quarter. Third quarter is 9 weeks long. So what is your goal in 9 weeks? How many words do you think you can get faster? Remember, lying to me does not help you or me. I do give you a grade based on your participation because I cannot see you type. So therefore, this is for you to get better. So it does not benefit you to lie to me that you did or didn't. All it is a way to teach you a life skill of setting a goal and working towards it. So go to the typing test, take a 1-minute time test, submit your time and your goal. So it can be something just as easy as my current typing time is 24 words per minute, and my third quarter goal is 30 words per minute. That's all I need. For the ones who have never taken the typing test before, if you click on typingtest.com, when you get here, make sure it says 1-minute test. And if you go down here, you're going to story typing. Okay, within story typing, you can choose whichever type of story you would like to type about. However, you need to stay in story typing so that it's the same when you take the test at the beginning and the test at the end. So if I wanted to type about the Wizard of Oz, basically I would do that. Once I click that, I go to start typing test, and then you type exactly what it says. When it is done, it is going to say total words, total errors, adjusted speed. Adjusted speed is what you are working with. That's when you are going to tell me what your speed is now, and also that's what you will base your goal off of. If you have any problems or questions, let me know.